Okay, we are live, and also I'm almost late. The contest is about to start in a minute. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. The question one is medium. Is इसके elements in तैयारी तरह. Oh wait. Almost fucking forgot. The elements so the equals to just a and minus I minus one, right? And minus I minus one. Bro, I can't think. What the fuck? Is not equal to your remaining is greater than, because if we have 3, then the second element will be at 1. 3 minus 1. Yeah. Hmm. Do I submit it? Bro, I'm not really sure if this would work, bro. Hmm. What am I even typing? If case 2. With case 3. Hmm. If at least k element greater. Should I submit it? You know what? अगर वो last वाला नहीं है and zero elements are greater. Hmm. It, bro, my brain is not working. What am I even trying to think? What's the edge case? If it's the last element, we won't find k elements in the array that are strictly greater than it. Hmm. Submit it. I don't care. Pa. No, no, अभी तो नहीं. No. Okay, I might as well just stop at this point. So this is our numbers. K equals to 0. अरे अभी नहीं. That is strictly greater than it. If your k equals to 0, if there exists at least k elements in the array that are strictly greater than it. Yeah, I was thinking. Strictly greater equals to 0. Yeah, this is my bro. I don't have the mood to even continue anymore. What am I even doing? See, I can't even concentrate. You're given an integer array of nums n. An element is said to be qualified if there exists at least k elements in the array that are strictly greater than it. Return the integer denoting the number of qualified elements. What am I even doing? Yeah, you know what? I'll stop caring about the rank. I shouldn't have taken the wrong attempt. So we have 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This has 2 elements greater than it. This has 1 element greater than it. 0 elements greater than it. So we want to return if k equals to 1, we return these 2. If k equals to 0, we return all 3. At least, right? Okay. Bro, I can't solve the first question today. I'm so bad at this game. How many accepted does this have? 2000. Yeah, I'm cooked in this contest. I'm gonna bang my head in a wall at this point. If I is not equal to we can say hash of error I equals to remaining, right? If I is not your end. Oh, okay. Okay. We can calculate the frequency and then remove the elements on the right. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I might as well just give up. अच्छा कंटेंट है, कोई नहीं देखता, मैं भी नहीं देखूंगा और 2 साल बहुत जॉब के लिए वीक मांगूंगा. I didn't understand, bro. Oh, 3 medium and 1 hard. Bro, first of all, I didn't even want to wake up today. I slept at like 5 a.m. Now I'm cripping about not being able to solve this question. We restart from the very scratch. Yeah, I'm good. Doesn't matter. We sort our... Bro, stop. Begin. Hmm. Or then equals to error size or int n equals to 0 int I equals to 0 I less than n I plus plus int writer equals to your n minus I minus n minus 1 minus I, right? If there are 2, it would be n minus 1 minus 0. Hmm. अगर हम कह देंगे if if you can say that error if yeah, why don't I, what the fuck am I even doing? Set में मिल गया, so we can simply do I continue. greatest plus plus is dot insert your error I. Okay. Bro, what the fuck do I do? So don't overthink, just find the kth largest element and check if it is greater than each element and count. Yeah, my brain just stops working. What am I even doing? K elements in the array that are strictly greater than it. So you're telling me, so the kth largest, 0th largest, of that is uh, if there exists at least k elements in the array that are strictly greater than it, we would want to find k minus first largest, right? If it asks me 0th, I think I should try to wake up early. My brain is actually not working. Hmm. Hmm. If there exists k elements in the array that are strictly greater than it. My worst performance in the contest yet. N minus kth, n minus k largest. The largest element, if k is 1, we would want to find the second largest, right? We would want to find the second largest. Second largest. So we make a come on, what am I doing? What am I doing? An element is said to be. Let's look at the second question. Given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters, return an integer denoting the maximum number of substrings. You can split S into such that each substring starts with distinct characters. Return and denoting the maximum number you can such that each substring starts with a distinct character. B. Oh. Wait. Kasi of your is. What is happening? Is this working? Like if we had something like this, We could start one with A, another with B, then with I, then with C, then with M. This should work, right? Submit it. What if even this is wrong? I don't care. Submit it. You give it an integer array numbers of length n equals to skip equals to okay. I'm way too over completing this stupid ass question. If we have to find zero, okay. Mm, if I equals 1 minus 1, I minus minus. Hmm. If skip dot find error I is equal to skip dot end. If it is not found, so we can say if yeah, bro, my mood is so ruined for the entire day. Now I'll be sad. Int skip equals to skip dot size if is less than your k, right? Is less than your k. तीन हो गए मेरे. Good morning. Yeah, it's blurred out because I don't want to share the code. People then accuse me of like helping people cheat. Good morning, bro. Read the title. Yo, what's up? तीन हो गए मेरे. Congratulations. I can't solve the first one. I'm so stupid, bro. If skipped is less than equals to k, what is wrong with me today? I need to think of an approach. So it's asking us, is the third one easy? Why not I just try? Let's try to solve the third one first. No, not this. I solved the second one. Mirror is a pair of indices ij such that where reverse x denotes the integer found by reversing the digits of x. Leading zeros are omitted. Return the minimum absolute difference between the indices of any mirror pair, the absolute distance between I and j. A mirror pair is an indices such that zero 1 sense. Unordered set of and can we reverse a string? Yeah, we can reverse a string in C baby. Unordered set of your string s for Elio for an Elio Ferreira and to find equals to string s equals to string to find equals to reverse a string in S, reverse a string in CPP. What's the function? Reverse dot begin, right? Reverse. Yep. Does it return a string? Bro, does it return a string? It returns a string, right? No, it modifies that string. It modifies that string. Okay. If no hash dot find your is not equal to and reversed and equals to equals to string to integer your s answer equals to minimum between answer comma your le minus your absolute le minus reversed else string to add equals to string your le hash dot insert to add. Bro, wait, what's happening? String s equals to string le. We're getting 0. Wait, what am I doing? So a mirror is a pair of indices such that I, J, okay. Return the minimum absolute distance between indices of any mirror pair. Oh, okay. Okay, I think yeah we can solve this. Okay, I think I can. Rather than going string reversal, we can just play with int. Can we? Int reversed. That's going to take in your int x y int answer equals to 0 while x exists. What it does is answer plus equals answer star equals to 10 answer plus equals to x and this equals to 0. X copy while x copy now while x exists. Div equals to power of 10 raised to, if there are 3 digits we will first divide it by, okay. equals to your x divided by power of 10 with digit minus 1, right? And then you do answer plus equals to 2 add, and then you do digit minus minus, right? You return answer. Is this working? Wait, let me try. Is this working? Out of, you know what, I don't care about the rank for today's contest. I know I'm going to lose heavy rating today. Let's not care about that. If let's say we have 2 3 4 5 5, the output is wrong. Yep, we're getting wrong output. Oh, okay. I can't solve a single question right. Bruh, this is crazy. 2 div equals to power of 10 with a digit minus 1. Okay. To add x divided by 2 div. 2 div answer plus equals to 2 add, then x percentage equals to 2 div. As simple as that. We don't care about. And now we do 2 div. Is the reversal working fine? 2 3 4 4 5. This contest just woke up. I need help, bro. It's good. I got the wrong attempt in first question itself. I'm trying to solve the third question right now. And what the hell am I even doing? So we have 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. If we have something like this, we first want to take out 2, right? We then multiply it by 10. Then we'll get 3. Right, what do we want it? I think using a string function might give us TLE here. That is the point. If we use a string function, we might get a TLE here. That's why I'm trying to, yep. Two को करो 1 से 10 से, so basically you want 2 plus 3 into 10, right? Okay, plus 3 into 100. Okay, answer 2 3 3 4 4 5. Yep. At least we're getting the digits. Now we just want to, okay, int 2 mul equals to 1. To add start 2 mul, as simple as that. And we do 2 mul star equal to 10. This should give us the correct 54432. Yes, it's returning the reverse digit now. If we add, let's say, something like, what am I doing? 4964. We have 4694. Okay, finally. hash for and I equals to 0, I less than your arr dot size I plus plus I plus plus, and then what we do is if int current equals to your arr I int to find equals to int reverse equals to reverse of your current, right? Reverse of your current if int answer equals to 0 equals to 0. If hash dot find reverse or equals to hash dot end, then we can say uh, int difference equals to hash of reverse I minus hash of reverse and answer equals to minimum between answer comma difference, and then we do hash of your current equals to I return -1 else answer. Wait, but there would be an edge case here. If a number is a palindrome, let's say 1 to 1, but we're adding it later. Okay. We're getting -1 for this. Okay. See out current to find reverse. What am I even outputting? Yeah, I solved the second one. So for 12 it's trying to find 21. For 21 it's trying to find 12, and why is it not see out found? I haven't even solved the first question yet. With temp difference equals to difference see out your handle. Found with temp difference equals to, oh wow. Int max. Yeah, so we're getting 1 here. For this we're for second since reverse of there is only one mirror pair. Okay, we have to think about leading zeros. Trying to find 12. Okay. Int remove zeros equals to remove zeros. It's going to take a number because for 21 we should be for 120. Bro, we have to remove zeros from the end. Okay, that's what the question is about. I got cooked 3k. Bro, this guy thinks getting 3000 rank is getting cooked. This guy thinks, wow, okay. First I took only 3 minutes. Wow, keep flexing. Yeah, no approach sharing right now. So for in here, we will also have to write a function that removes the, okay. Okay. We have to remove the zeros from the end. That is what we want to do. What is my rank right now? It's probably like 9000. Yep, 9000, because I haven't in the first question. I'll do it later. And remove zeros. We have to remove the zeros from the end. Okay. Yeah, this is all what this question is about, right? To remove zeros, what can we do? If we have, let's say, 2300, but if we have 23001, we're gonna store it like that. And we want to do it without converting it into a string. We find this. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is straightforward. Int answer equals to your x. While answer percentage 10 equals to 0, we can say answer 10. An answer. Hmm. This would actually work. To add equals to your remove zeros from current, remove zeros from current, and then we do hash of to add equals to I. So for second now we're getting 1, right? For first we're getting 1, right? And for the third we are getting, wait, what is happening here? So for 120 it's trying to find 21. That makes sense, right? Why is the answer -1 here? Reverse of 120 is 0 to 121. Okay, so it's telling us reverse of 120. Oh, okay. We don't have to do this. We don't have to do this. No. Nope. Sort. I hope this does not give a TLE. We still getting? Wait. So for 12, it will try to find 21, which is correct. For 120, it would try to find 21, right? Which is correct. So what we want is, we want the smaller numbers to be stored first. So for 120, it's trying to find 21. Why are there no? What are the mirror pairs? Reverse of nums I, करंट का रिवर्स एक पुराने नंबर्स का होना चाहिए. Reverse of 120 is 21. ओ अच्छा, सॉर्टिंग करनी नहीं है, सॉर्टिंग करनी नहीं है। और ओके, तो आपको करंट एलिमेंट से राइट में ढूंढना है, करंट एलिमेंट से राइट में ढूंढना है एक एलिमेंट जो करंट एलिमेंट का रिवर्स हो। ओके 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 ओके, अच्छा ओके, करंट एलिमेंट से राइट में ढूंढना है। hmm this could have given me a wrong attempt, but let's see. uh, n equal I equals to n minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. Reverse of your current, reverse of current, and what you do is if hash dot find your reverse is not equal to end, and end difference equals to absolute of the hash of reverse minus I, right? And the answer equals to min between answer comma difference. And then you simply do hash of current equals to your I, return answer equals to int max. So we return -1, or else we return 0, or else we return answer. This is what the question is asking, right? Yes, we're getting one here, we're getting one here. I don't care, should I at least try submitting it? करंट के रिवर्स को ढूंढो उसके आगे. Yeah, this should work. Yep. What's our 10,000 rank despite solving third question? Bro, why did it show my solution? What the fuck? What is my rank? 4,000. Okay, cool. I need to solve the first question, and I think I can get a good rank. I solved the... Yeah, bro. I solved this question now. Yep. We're done with the third question. Question. Bro, for me, the first question is really annoying. I couldn't solve the first question up until now. I solved the third question, but couldn't solve the first question up until now. I'll try it now. Should I try fourth? Of course, bro. Try. You see, the first one, I can solve it. It just needs a bit of thinking. And now I'm free because I know I can't solve the fourth question. I'll devote the 40 minutes to first question. Okay, this contest isn't as bad as I thought it would go. Let me not speak too early. Let me try solving this first. So it's asking us how many elements exist with number of greater elements greater than equal to k, right? So let's say we have 1 2, not 1 2 2 3 3 4 5 6, and we want to find k equals to, let's say, 3. Now we want to tell how many elements exist that have strictly greater elements as at least 3, right? At least k in the elements that are strictly greater than it, right? Strictly greater than it. So strictly greater than 3. So in total we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements here. Now 6 elements है, right? तो अगर आपको strictly 3 से ज़्यादा greater चाहिए, 6 elements mean A B C D E F. You want numbers which have values strictly which have bigger elements, at least 3 bigger elements. Let's say we add a 7 here, A B C D E F G. Let's say we add a 7 here, this. So we would get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 -3 equals to 4. Okay. And if it is 0, yep, I have the approach. यही सोचने में सुबह दिमाग खराब हो रहा था, but and unique for int LE of your AR, unique not even this. Hash hash of your what do you call it, LE plus, as simple as that. And unique equals to your hash dot size, right? And int to add equals to unique minus your k. उतने ही तो आप ऐड करोगे, राइट? अगर आपको एटलीस्ट 3 बिगर चाहिए तो आप 4 ऐड कर सकते हो, एटलीस्ट 1 बिगर चाहिए तो आप 6. int added equals to 0, sort error dot begin comma error dot end. For int I equals to 0, I less than you know what, we can just run with the sorting first. I hope sorting does not give a TLE here. There's no way we get a TLE at sorting here, right? Extra. Extra to push back your what do you call it, LE, right? And we're already sorting it. And so plus equals to hash of your extra of I. Yup, this should be working now. It required a bit of thinking. Rosino, congratulations, brother. For the first one, we're getting 2. For the second one, we're getting 0. And yeah, let's try this test case. But what if I still get a wrong answer? That's going to be crazy. For the third one, we output is 1. And what is the expected output? Yep, expected output is 1. Do I submit it? Oh, I'm still scared. 35 minutes left. If I get a wrong attempt, it's going to give another penalty. Let's try to write a few test cases of our own. Yeah, let's say we had 1 2 2 3 2 3 3 2 5 6 7 7, and basically after sorting it would become, why am I not sorting it myself? What the hell? 2 2 3 3 4 5 7 8 8 and let's say we want to find where at least 3 greater elements. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. And if we, let's say, 8 greater elements, we're getting 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 greater elements should also be 0, right? 6 greater elements should give us 1 here. Yeah. And if we had 0 greater elements, it should return us the size. If we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Yep. And we can in fact do that early. If k equals to 0, return error dot size. Let me try submitting it, bro. Another wrong answer. Wow. Bro, this question has pissed me off. Handle edge case k equals to 0. Yeah, that works perfectly fine. The edge case k equals to 0 works perfectly fine. Okay, I think I need to change my approach here. What we want to do is, another way we can do it is we find the kth largest element, right? These assholes don't even show us the test case. That's the point. Okay, no worries. I can change my approach. What's my rank right now? It's 5,700, bro. I need to do this question or else it's going to reach like 8,000 something. To find k equals to 3, I think we need to find the third largest और उससे पहले के सारे return कर दो. k equals to 3, 1 2 you find the third largest और उससे पहले के सारे return कर दो, है ना? Okay, this approach looks better. If k equals to 0, we find the largest. If k equals to 1, we find the second largest. अच्छा नहीं, if k equals to 0, we return the entire array. If k equals to 0, return error dot size. Okay, अब क्या करूँ? While your to skip exists, yep. Bro, which problem? Yeah, I'm on the first problem. Yeah, Adarsh is giving a hint, but I think I'll try to not look at that right now. Unordered map, not even map. We want a set of which elements we need to skip. Right? And set if s dot find which element we need to skip, right? If s dot find हमें टॉप के एलिमेंट स्किप करने पड़ेंगे। टॉप के एलिमेंट स्किप करने पड़ेंगे, यही तो बात है। What am I even confused about? Int I equals to n minus 1, I greater than equals to 0, I minus minus. Int cle equals to your here are I. Int skipped. Int total skipped equals to skipped equals to skip dot size if skip dot find cle is not equals to अगर वो skip में नहीं है, skip dot end अगर वो skip में नहीं है, तो what we do is and skipped equals to your k. Then what we do is we just return कितने अभी बच रहे हैं I plus 1 है ना, I plus 1 else dot insert cle and minus 1. What have I done? Let's see what's happening here. So for we're getting 11 here, we're getting 2 here. Wait. Such an easy question and I can't get my fucking we have 26 minutes left. What are the chances I can't solve this question? For 312 we're getting 2, for 555 we're getting 0, for this we're getting 1, for this we're getting 11. Okay, fifth test case, but we need to check a few test cases of our own. So let's say we have 6 great elements great, we get 1, right? If we let's say updated it to 4, so 4 we're getting 6. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. Should I submit this? Should I try to submit this one? 4 is also done using fen victory. 25-minute की penalty पड़ी आज bro. I am at 10 minutes penalty right now और first question पे अटका पड़ा हूँ. Let's see. Submit it, I don't care. How is the first question so damn tricky? I have 3 penalties as of now. Now all I just want is to solve this stupid question with at least k greater values. This means we need to find the kth greatest element, right? इसमें हो क्या रहा है? What can even be the सॉर्ट कर रहे हैं, उल्टा जा रहे हैं, जैसे ही 7 बड़ी वैल्यूज निकल गई अगर वो उसमें नहीं मिल रहा और आप में ऑलरेडी है तो वी रिटर्न आई प्लस 1, राइट? वरना स्किप में वो डालते जाओ, इसे भी स्किप करना पड़ेगा, है ना? हाउ द हेल what exactly could I be doing wrong here? My rank is 6300 despite solving the third question. Can you check 555312? Okay, let me check your test case. Okay, we have 553212, and the value was 2, right? That's what you asked, right? भाई 2 और 3 इजी है, वो कर लो. हाँ, 2 और 3 डन. या मैं वैसे ही कर रहा हूँ नमन ब्रो. For this we are getting 3, 1 2 3 elements जिसके पास एटलीस्ट 2 बड़े एलिमेंट, एटलीस्ट 2. तो 5 और 3 तो नहीं आएंगे, तो 3. हाँ, दिस इज वर्किंग करेक्टली. मैं यही कर रहा हूँ, यही तो कर रहा हूँ मैं. अगर नया एलिमेंट मिला है, ठीक है, नया एलिमेंट मिला है और नया एलिमेंट मिला है, पीछे से मैं हटाते जा रहा हूँ, ठीक है. सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज, पीछे से मैं हटाते जा रहा हूँ. एक्स वाई जेड जेड जेड, मान लो कि इक्वल टू 1 था, तो मेरे स्किप्ड होनी चाहिए एटलीस्ट एक स्किप करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना, एटलीस्ट एक स्किप करना पड़ेगा. तो मैं इसको इसमें डालूंगा, इसे वो स्किप कर देगा, इसे वो स्किप कर देगा, ठीक है ना, इसे स्किप कर देगा. फिर इस पे आएगा, एक आएगा, ये तो नया है, और अभी तक इसने कितने स्किप करे, एक स्किप कर दिया है. हाँ, तो अब ये रिटर्न कर देगा. डैम. और ये ऑलरेडी सॉर्टेड है, तो वो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. अब इसमें क्या गलत आ रहा है, ऐसा क्या टेस्ट केस आ गया भाई? तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, द फक एम आई डूइंग रॉन्ग. I equals to n minus 1, I is greater than equal to 0. What could be that test case, bro? I can't solve a first question and solve the third question. How is this, bro? This is crazy. Bro, and what, Rohan D'Souza, what's your rank right now? मेरे तो फर्स्ट में 3 रॉन्ग आ गए. मेरे तो फर्स्ट में 3 रॉन्ग. My code is invisible, right? Yep, it is not. 1800, that is crazy. Okay, well gave this 553212. 5 5 3 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 तो 3 2 1 2. सो पहले मैं इसे सॉर्ट कर लूँगा, 1 2 2 3 5 5 एंड योर k वाज 2. तो एटलीस्ट 2 ग्रेटर एलिमेंट्स होने चाहिए, एटलीस्ट 2. तो ये तो नहीं हो सकता, ये भी नहीं हो सकता. ओ ओ वाओ, ओ वाओ, oh wow bro, wow, I just found my error. I found my error, bro. This is crazy. This is crazy. I found my error. I less than I less than I greater than equal to 0. I minus minus if greater is less than. You can say अगर कोई नया एलिमेंट मिला है, if skip dot end cle equals to error I, if skip dot find cle equals to नया एलिमेंट मिला है, skip dot end, ठीक है, नया एलिमेंट मिला है, ठीक है. तो what you can do is, तुम कह दोगे if इतने ग्रेटर निकालिए, ग्रेटर हमारा ग्रेटर दैन इक्वल्स टू के है, तो यू रिटर्न i प्लस 1, ठीक है. एल्स क्या करो, ग्रेटर प्लस प्लस, ग्रेटर बढ़ा दिया, ठीक है, और अपना skip.insert योर CLE, ठीक है, उसे स्किप करने में डाल दिया, वरना अपना ग्रेटर बढ़ाते जाओ। This should work. I am very. What's wrong here? Oh. So for the test case, we are getting 4, right? We are getting 4. For 1, we are getting 2, right? For 2, we are getting 0. For this, we are getting 1. For this, we are getting 4. 5, 5, 3, 2, 1, 2. You know what? I'm still not really sure. अब इससे क्या हो रहा है, वो पीछे से स्किप करता जा रहा है, ठीक है, और ग्रेटर अगर कोई नया एलिमेंट मिला तो चेक करेगा अभी तक इससे कितने ग्रेटर निकाल लिए। अगर ग्रेटर इक्वल टू के आ गए तो आप i+1 कर दो, वरना ग्रेटर बढ़ा दो और उसे ऐड कर दो। हम्म अगर ऑलरेडी है तो या दिस शुड बी वर्किंग। कोई टेस्ट केस लिखूं अच्छा सा, 1 2 2 3 4 5 5 7। एटलीस्ट 3 ग्रेटर। तो इसमें अपने पास 1 2 3 4 5 6 आ रहे हैं। हाँ, 6 इज द करेक्ट आंसर है। एंड if we actually get n equals to k dot, yeah, I think that's submitted. I don't give a shit. Submitted. What's my rank? I got 3 penalties today. 15 minutes penalty. 6,000. Are you serious, bro? Why does it show my code? What's my rank right now? 6,000. I have 7,000 rank. This is crazy. Damn, by 7,000 rank despite solving 3 questions. 6,200. That is absolutely crazy. What are your guys' rank, bro? I solved 3. I solved 3. This is crazy. I was expecting at least under a 5k finish. Or maybe I'm just too stupid, bro. The first question, I need to work. Yeah, I can't solve anymore. 1789. That's your rank or your rating. I can't even differentiate. 25. Naman, bro, what's your rank? Total 20 minutes. I got 3. 1800 rank. 6,000 rank, bro. 5,000. Yep. 6,000. Oh, Naman's rank is 6,000. We can't, due to 2 reasons. First, 3 were too easy for people doing DS, and second reason, the cheaters could easily cheat all 3. Yeah, makes sense, bro. Bro, third was so easy, I could have got an under good rank. I overcomplicating it so much. Yeah, everybody do realize that Pradeep has an under like 2,000 rank. He's 1,500 something, and still he's like third. He could have done better, bro. You already did so good. मुझे 25 मिनट पेनल्टी पड़ी. That's crazy. 2,000 rank, 2,700. Yeah, today's question were very cheatable. I think any LLM could have done that. So that also adds to the like itni bhayanak ranks. I don't have live chat on. Yep. If I look at my rank, it might as well go at 6,300. Yeah. The first question cooked me. I should have acted smart, bro. Bro, once read the question for. I know I can't solve it, but okay, let me do it. What am I even doing? What am I even doing? Not ranking. Take me to the question for. You're given an integer array nums and an integer k. In one operation, you can increase or decrease any element. Find the minimum number of operations required to. If it is impossible, the answer. And what is the operation that you can do? Any element. For 1 for 0 to 1 to make them equal, we can make it. What are the possibilities to make 1, 2 and 4 equal? Why can't we do any element of nums by exactly k? Oh, acha, k is something given. Hmm. So it would we check possibility using modulo, right? तीनों के modulo same होने चाहिए, तभी हम उसे बना पाएंगे. Like right here the k is 2 and we have a 1. 1 can never be equals to 2 and 4 plus minus nk. I'm yapping. यार आज का कॉन्टेस्ट अंडर 1000 वाला था, हक दिया. Yeah, today's contest was kind of easy. सब बोलते हैं कितना जिस दिन 3 क्वेश्चन कर लेता हूँ. same same. No, bro, I got 2.8k. That's what I wanted to do. 1900. I don't think I'll be able to reach now. Fourth one will be solved using Fen Victory. Okay. Fen Victory तो नहीं आता. Even Fen Victory is giving TLE. हाँ, 4 क्वेश्चन इसी टाइप के रहते हैं. First time 3 questions, bro. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. The first question. अब कुछ नहीं कर सकता यार. मेरी पिछली 3-4 कॉन्टेस्ट से ऐसी ही सड़ी हुई रैंक आ रही है. Let's look at this guy. He did an all kill in. Oh, okay. He might be legit. He did an all kill in fucking how many? 6 minutes. Bro, he might actually be legit. 35 contests. He started from a 1400 rating back in 2022. 593. Bro, who knows who's legit at this point? I don't care. Range Ankari. Shitty data structure. Bro, N is 1E4. Question is also 1E4, I'm assuming. Then victory. POTD. भाई अब मूड में नहीं हूँ यार अब कुछ और करने के. Let's still take a look at the POTD. You know what? I can remove the blur now because I won't be opening the contest side anymore. I can remove the blur, make sum divisible by given, remove the smallest subarray, possibly empty, such that the sum of the remaining elements is divisible by p. It is not allowed to remove the whole array. Return the length of the smallest subarray that you need to remove. Okay. So the point is, yeah, I think I have a naive approach for this in my mind. इसमें 3142. We have 3142. इसको हमें डिविजिबल बनाना है. डिविजिबल बनाना है बाय 6 से. डिविजिबल बनाना है बाय 6 से. अभी मॉड्यूलो क्या है? अभी मॉड्यूलो है इसका 3 4 7 10. तो अभी मॉड्यूलो आ रहा है आपका 4, है ना? तो आपको you have to remove a sub array. You have to remove a sub array with modulo 4, which has a modulo 4. ऐसा सब array जिसका modulo 4 है. As simple as that. और अब आप सम एरेज का सम कैलकुलेट करने के लिए प्रीफिक्स सम कर सकते हो. ठीक है, प्रीफिक्स सम मेक सेंस. प्रीफिक्स सम कर सकते हो, लेकिन what exactly would you try to find in prefix sum? जैसे यहाँ तो 4 हमें मिल रहा है, we just remove 4, right? hmm 6352. It's a 2000 rated question. Okay, I won't waste my time. No way. I'm not wasting my time on a 2000 rated question just after I did a contest. Yes, you can use segment 3. Okay. But kind of like we have 6352, 6352, right? And we want to make it divisible by 9. We want to make it divisible by 9, right? Currently the modulo is 6, 3, 9 and 7, 16, 16. So currently the modulo is 17, right? That's 8. 9 plus 7. No, 7. Okay. So we would want to remove a subarray with a modulo 7. I think we'll have to play with prefix sum here. The prefix sum here is 6. Here it's 9. Here it's 9 plus 5, 14 plus 2. Wait. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 2, 16. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. So at any moment, yeah, I think, okay. That's, I'm just waiting once the contest ends so I can look at my final rank. Right now, what's my rank? It's 6400. I got a 15-minute penalty. Oh, no. Don't show my code. Just 319 all kill. Okay, maybe fourth question is a bit tough. My rating, what was my rating in the last few contests? Let's look at the last few contests. Right now it's about 6500. In the past contest it was 7000. Fuck off, bro. This shit is stupid. 6300. Yeah, I'm expecting a similar. Okay. Honestly, I think then I expect a similar result. Probably a +2 or +3. Damn, I'm getting closer to 3000 now. Bro, the cheaters are crazy. Question 4 LLM से भी नहीं हो रहा होगा. Probably. तभी all kill सिर्फ 380 है. जबकि I will gain +5. Are you sure? Bro, Pradeep and Tarun are talking in some code language. Segmentary, merge sort. Who even does all this? How much time left? 5 minutes. This is a 39% acceptance rate. I think this one should be hard. Anyway, this is medium. Yeah, so what is the 10⁵5? If P is the number of divisible, right? See, that's the point. If for this, at any point, like at this point, we want to find the subarray whose modulo is 7, right? So we could actually try to make it 7, or we could actually try to make it 15. Not 15, 16 I meant. Right? 16 I meant. Yep. 16. How do we even check that? For this, what was the answer? 2, 6 and 3. Wait, how? 5 and 2. Okay, we remove 5 and 2. We remove 5 and 2. Yep. Oh, yeah, this is a crazy question. 6250 रैंक पार आ गया. What's my now? See, ranking अब क्या ही करें यार. Weekly, here it is. 6500. Bro, that is crazy. Make sum divisible by p. At this point, we would want to find a subarray that has some, or we could also. Ooh, okay. Okay. Because 16 minus 9, that is 7. But how do we check which number do we want to find? That is the issue, right? कौन सा ढूंढना है? That is the question. अब क्या पूरे सारे multiples से करें क्या? That's the point. Check out rank 11. Okay. Let's check out rank 11. Is he that guy who uploads on Bilibili? 2600. He has given 295 contests. What was his starting rating? He started with 1600. Okay. Look at his graph. Bro. What is his global rank? 295. That is crazy. You know, people like him generally leave a link to their Bilibili channel. It's asking me to fucking log in. Fuck off. I'm not doing that. That is crazy. Is the contest over? 6,500. We have 1.5 minutes left. 1.5 minute left. Bro, that 15-minute TLE. Even the top rankers got a wrong answer on the first question. Else, I've never seen like a penalty on the first page. At least for the first question. Today's first question could actually be swapped with the third question. Okay. Rank 1 to report karna hai for sure. Obviously, bro. Bro, recently I saw a cheater. He's a mod of a guy who works in Microsoft. Why does he have to cheat if he works in Microsoft, bro? How did he even get into Microsoft? How did he rank 1 to report karna hai? Yeah, Ravi Ishu, bro. He thinks we believe that he solved the 4 questions in 4 minutes. Like, what even is this? Rohan Vinay. Okay, Singh ji. Is Singh King? Yep, he cheated. Is this his actual picture? What if we search this image with Google? No, I think, yeah, he just picked up a random image. Bro, take me 2 images. I'll take his image. I'll paste this here. Yeah, no, this is a random image. Bro is cheating. Is it over? Okay, the contest is over. He's not in Microsoft. No, he's not in Microsoft. A guy at Microsoft streams. The cheater is more of that Microsoft. Oh, Nike's rank 1 is legit? How is that legit? He has just one question on his entire account. But there are guys who are undercover call. If it's a newbie, even then, it's hard to do all four with LLM. Oh, that mod was Guardian. I lost all hopes on Leetcode. Yeah, bro. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense anymore to concentrate on ranks and ratings. But I still do. भाई आज रैंक अच्छी आ जाती, बहुत बुरा लगा. What's your rank, Rowan? Don't be crying if you have a rank under 3000. Right? If you have a rank under 3000 and you're still crying, bro, you need medical help. Leetcode rating predictor. Okay, I was 6500 rank. किससे बात कर रहे हो? To you 6000. Okay. Okay. मेरी भी फिर तो आई थिंक वी कुड हैव डन बेटर. आज का क्या कॉन्टेस्ट नंबर था? 478. I have written wrong in title. It's actually 478. No, आज क्या है? 478. Yep. The contest won't get updated by now. By 9:50. अबे I'm not waiting till 9:50. Sorry bro. अरे नहीं, किसकी बात कर रहे हो? मतलब वो cheater का पूछ रहा हूँ. Pradeep was mentioning a guy. Bro, check that. Check even that Rohan guy on 2 cheated. This guy. Let me. Did he do an external paste? Yup. Yup. Look at the code for the last question. And you're telling me he wrote all this code in 4 minutes. What LLMs do these guys use? What LLMs do these guys even use? Merge sort tree. Like, which LLM gives such clean code such fast and all this? I never understood. VIT Velour coder. Bro also must be external copy pasting. Yup. Yup. Bruh, the code for fourth question is crazy. BIT stands for binary index tree or what? This is crazy. Now who's that? Oh, now we know that also good. So we won't get our rating updates till at least another 10-15 minutes. Yeah, I won't be waiting anymore just to see that my rating will fall. Nope. Predicted time. They even give you predicted time. That is crazy. Okay. One of his mod is cheated. He got rank 15 in weekly contest unless he is god level coder. Damn, I was right. I could have used merge sort tree. What is your rating right now? Mine is 1687 or something. What's my exact rating right now? 1687. My rating is 1689. Okay, 1689. Yeah, I'm really struggling to cross 1700 mark. Final rank 6267. Update हुई है क्या rank? Final rank 6536. अभी तो update होगी ना? Leetcode gets rid of some cheaters. I'm expecting to go down by at least like 200. 100-200 तो हटा दो यार. इतने तो cheaters हटा दो. मेरी भी 1689 है rating. Wow, exactly same. What's your proof? What was your profile? मैं हूँ Electus. Naman. What was your profile, Naman bro? I am Electus. Bro, exactly same rating. That is crazy. But bro has solved double questions than me. That's nice. 2810 is crazy. Will you stop streaming after 1700? No, not at all. Why would I? Why would I stop streaming? If you solve 3, you might get 1750 now. Bro, Vishwas, I think you're living in some la la land. There's no way I'm getting 1750. The max I think is I get plus 3 plus 4. That is it. There's no way in any universe that I get to 1750. Replify, hi, what's up? The problem is they can't even bring the full screen mode as then people will cry they use code editors, etc. Mark my words, Leetcode is down. People are, mark my words. Okay, you want to bet? You want to bet? Let's put some money on this. You will get 70. No, that's not how it works, bro. I have 6,000 rank. If I get till 1730, then let's say people who got. What's the algorithm? How Leetcode calculates? Leetcode, what do you call it? Contest ranking algorithm. Not ranking, rating algorithm, sorry. What exactly do they use? Varies little compared to the large number of contests user. Open Core Forces rating system. Okay, so they take inspiration from Core Forces rating system. Participate with the relatively better ranking wins and the relatively worse. This is crazy. No way I'm reading all of this. No, I'm not reading all of this. Let's play some with. Yeah, exactly. Vishwas, there's no. I think you probably might be new to LeetCode or something. There's no way. I gave a contest on Coding Ninja, man. You would not believe they have proctored contest with full screen and camera on stuff. Got 14 rank, bro. 14 rank globally. How many participants were there? Yeah, if that happens, Vishwas, of course he gets. Yeah, he will get access to my channel. If I reach 1730, he will get access to my channel. Forget even moderator. But it matters, like for how long you haven't solved it. So you might get a plus 10, plus 10, 15. Let's hope. If I reach 1700, that would be crazy. I mean, I should get the mod role first, anyways. Bro, yeah, take it, bro. Take it. Add as moderator. What are the can manage block words, chat modes, and also okay. Can review and review. What are different types of managing? Standard. Okay, there you go, bro. Is that good enough to act like a placement? I'm 11 student. I want to learn programmer. How can I start? Bro, focus on J. There's no use of good DSA if you're not in good college. I mean, not exactly, but yeah, being in a good college is so much better. Moderators बांट रहे हो क्या? Of course, bro. If everybody in the chat is a mod, then you see next week. Namansini has been here since like day. Yeah. Oh, is that? So I did not know. Is a choice of full screen on coding ninjas, although you can't pay that good. Bro, daily stream time. See, bro, I do not have a fixed stream time. I think that is what is stopping me to be regular. I do not have a fixed time. I generally stream at around 3:30 p.m. 4. दोपहर शाम में free हो गया. It's actually my mom's birthday today, so I don't think so I would be. What's the work? क्या काम है वैसे bro? I might be going out to like for lunch or anything. Then see you next week. This mod anyway, I don't need that. Okay, yeah. If I actually reach 1730, you get access to my channel. Vishwas. Oh, mommy ji ko happy birthday. thank I'll tell her and thanks from her side. Okay, Vishwas, you will get access to my channel if I actually reach 1730. because I know ना I won't. आप कौन से कॉलेज में हो? I am in MATE. It's a college in IPU in Delhi. So did we wait? Let me just one last check. Did we get a rating predictor? Leetcode rating predictor. If that worked, no, we don't have. Gareth is no, we don't have it. Like 3 के बाद. विश्वास आप इस तरह सोचो. Share your Leetcode profile. Yeah, I'll share mine and you share yours, Vishwas. Share yours because I think you have not given many contests. If you are, this is my PhD, this is my profile. You tell me your profile, Vishwas. What's your profile? August 17, हमें 1715 मिला. Then 1750 वाले. Rohan bro, what's your rating right now? What's your rating? Do I have your profile? Rohan now. Can I give mine Leetcode? Yeah, of course. Give a Leetcode profile. You don't have to be so polite. Just spam it. People spam all the time. Bro, you can't paste a link, by the way. You'll have to give me your like username. I'll open it myself. You can't paste a link in the chat. YouTube doesn't allow that. Okay. Black Friday. Yeah, that's crazy. Does any Okay, let's see all this. By the way, does anyone in the chat actually has bought something from the Leetcode store? I think Tarun or Pradeep might have. Okay, so you have 284 questions. That's good. You've been doing one question every day since the past like 6 months. Looks nice, bro. And how long have you been active for? Okay. Yeah, you're really consistent, bro. So good work on that. That's let's look at one of your submissions. Yeah, you're right. Clean good. Nice, bro. Nice profile. You don't give contests anymore. You gave 461. August 3. You don't give contests anymore. 476 में -6.5 दिखा रहा था. But -2 ही थी. भाई, the only idea I want is कि मेरी बढ़ेगी कि घटेगी. I wake up at 9. Lol, okay. You get like +5 extra. +5 extra. Why is it taking so much time? 470. Plus minus का पता चल जाए बस. Exactly, that's what I want to know. Krish. That is a crazy username. I love to do coding. Do you? That's good. You have 176 medium version, 380. That's more than me. That's good, bro. So you've been coding for about a year. And when was the last contest that you gave? In November 20. Okay, that's just the last contest. Last weekly contest. Nice, bro. You post solutions also. Okay. But I guess that's like GPT. Everybody just posts GPT solution. That really doesn't matter. Okay. So you simply post your code. Nice. Good work, bro. Oh, the rating predictor shows. Yeah, what's my updated rank? Did Leetcode update the rank? Did Leetcode update the rank? I saw 3 questions and I'm sitting at 6,000. 6,200. Yep, it was 6,500 a few like couple of like 10 minutes ago. Now it's 6,200, and this bullshit website is still not showing the contest number 478. Yeah, let me just end this now. Okay, 6,000. यार पहले तो जल्दी दिखा देता था. It's taking too much time today. Under 6 क्या आ गया? Damn, nice bro. Vishwas, okay, yeah. Let's check Vishwas profile, the guy who's telling that I will be getting 1730. Bro, Vishwa. Bro is 1889. Okay, so bro is not new to Leetcode as I thought. Bro, he's actually like almost. When do you reach Guardian? When you become. I think. When do you reach Leetcode Guardian? Leetcode Guardian. Leetcode Guardian. 2200. That's crazy. Okay, so Guardian is tough, but bro, of course, is already a knight. And how many years have you been doing? Just 1 year? How many contests have you given? 15 contests. So the same as me. Bro, that's great. But how do you think I'll reach 1730? That just does not. Bro, this first guy cheats. 1800 पे भी तो कुछ नो कुछ नहीं मिलता है. लीड कोड इससे चेक करता है. टॉप 5% में जो आ जाता है उन्हें वो नाइट बैच देता है. टॉप 25% साइट वाइड. ओके, ऐसे नहीं देता. आई डोंट थिंक सो. 1845 प्लस नाइट तो बहुत दूर का टाइम है. शानमुका प्रशांत रेड्डी. Bro, he has a streak of 366. Like, bro, do you not touch grass or anything? Lead coding every day for the entire year, not taking a single leave. And what if he did the same in 2024? Almost 3/4. You have been lead coding every day for almost like 2 years at this point, bro. And he is 1828. Why is your batch this? Okay, history level. Okay, you have fall in rating 1828. Okay, let's look at your 1000 questions. Everyone on my stream is 10 times better than me. I gave break because I was in hospital in 3 months. Oh, okay. I hope you're better now. That first person in last contest cheated and lead code didn't ban him. Yeah, lead code is very lenient in terms of like being strict with cheating. Bro, 180 is too good to be true. Vishwas has a 180 rank? Does he? So I think his opinion does hold some weight. He's telling me I'll reach. When did he reach a 180 rank? 180? Bro. And then he didn't. 180 is like Code Forces level. Bro, that's crazy. Do I check which in weekly contest 437? Okay, I never gave that. 280, 181 in bi-weekly 150. Bro, let me check this contest. Mm, bi-weekly 150. And you must be like on 180, right? So you must be like on the 7th page. Oh shit. Okay, 8th page. My rank 181. I solved questions like at minute 40. There you are, bro. You didn't solve the third question, you solved the fourth question. Okay, maybe this contest. Yeah, where are you? Vishwas is, yeah. Then I hope what you're saying is true, bro. Then I hope what you're saying is true. Bro, bro, what did I just see? What did I just see? An external paste with comments. Is this not sus? Is this not sus? Vishwas, bro. Is this not sus? Dumpy Don, my Leetcode profile. Started DSA 60 days ago. Okay, let's check your profile. Dumpy Don. What is that? DP. Who's that? Started DSA. The good thing is you're already like attending contests. That's good. I wish I started contests when I started Leetcode. I took way too much time. Lol, cotton 4K. Don't tell me Vishwas. I have a lot of Vishwas on you. See, that's why this is really like useful. And this is only your fourth submission. Let's check your other submissions. Oh no, bro. And not even one external paste. So the LLM was giving wrong answers. That is crazy. Nah, 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 nah. Did you use LLM for the first question too? I hope not. You did. You did an external paste for first question. Okay, you're writing yourself nice. Nice. That's good. That's good. Ooh, this is not good, bro. You're caught in 4K. And Dumpy Dawn. Yeah, I checked your ID. I did. Hmm. Yeah. See, I lost my faith in lead code. Yeah, it's just no point. Lead code, there's no point in. The ratings do not hold any significance anymore. Orange generational debt. Right now, yeah. I mean, he doesn't have to get ambashed or anything. The only thing you should have not done was thank. Like when Pradeep complimented you, keep 181 rank lie, you should not thank him because that's not you, bro. That's not you, bro. My friend lead code account, we do coding together every day. Your friend lead code account, okay, that's a weird request. Let's take a look. 15. Bro, 1000 questions? But wait, what was the last contest you gave? 477. Okay, just recent one. For 1000 questions, don't you think your rating is a bit low? And you did that all in just 1 year? Bro, these people are crazy in the chat. That's crazy. I think अभी हो रहा है रुक जाओ. Yeah, I'm still smiling over that incident. Yep, okay. This ends. Hmm. Competitive programmer. Pupil at Code Forces. Yeah, take my connection, bro. You got an all kill. But see so many cheaters that even at an all kill he got 2000. Velagudi Ramakrishna Siddhartha Engineering College. रैंक 702. मैंने लास्ट वीक के दोनों नहीं दिए थे. वर्चुअल वाला दूंगा. कौन सा दूंगा या नॉर्मल? आई रिमेम्बर लास्ट वीक का वीकली वाज रियली टफ. मैंने भी वीकली नहीं दिया था. मैंने वर्चुअल दिया था लाइव ऑन स्ट्रीम. वो बड़ा टफ था. ओके, चेक द रेटिंग राइट नाउ. Check the rating. Do we check the rating? Weekly was very okay. For these please, I need a plus 30. As Vishwas said, he has vanished from the chat. No, if I were to predict, I think if I were to predict the predictor, I think I'll get a plus 3. I got a -3 instead. And let's check no one's any. I am Electus Choda, right? Bro is also getting -1. And who will? Tarun Rawat, bro. Bro is getting -4. Bro, everybody is losing rating in this contest. Then who is actually gaining? Bro, that's why I thought being this delusional even after a night is crazy. Yeah. He should have stayed quiet. Minus Ura. Just a sign difference. Check mine also. Okay, let's check. Pradeep, what was your handle? Pradeep PKV. Yep. He would be gaining. There's no way he loses rating. There's no way in hell. Haha. I accept I used to cheat, but right now I'm not doing. Okay. The good thing is you accepted. Acknowledgement is the first step to progress. So yeah, that's the good thing. I hope you don't cheat anymore. Wait. Why can't I see you? Pradeep Leetcode 415. That Fen Victory guy, उसकी आईडी क्या थी? We cool Vishwas, bro. Man, I fucked up third question. I could have solved it. Yeah, third question. You had to pay attention to the what do you call it? The description. Pradeep is getting +3. Bro is gaining all the elo. A +3 at 1883. That's crazy. Vishwas, man. Shanmukha Prashant Reddy. Let's look at this guy. +4. Bro, this, what the hell? You're getting +47. Damn, bro. In how much time did you solve the 3 questions? Compute is absent. Okay, you're solving in Java, so I can't really even like. Yeah, this was the easiest one. The third question was so. No, this is the first question. Okay. So you solved the first question after the second and third question. Hmm. Bro, you write so clean code. +47 is crazy. भाई तेरा minus प्रदीप भाई लेगा. Rank 702 in 15 minutes. Oh, that makes sense. 15 minutes, 3 questions. That's crazy. What was the second question? You don't even have to look at it. It was a one-liner question. It should have been the first question and should have been like categorized as easy. Minus B. I'm going mad. I will give virtual contest now. Please tell me the difficulty of all questions. This contest, the first question might trick you. I do not know your level. The second question is very like straightforward. It's easy. The third question, it's kind of implementation heavy, and you have to read the description carefully. That's it. It's not tough, but you'd have to think about the implementation. Yeah. TLN in fourth. Bro, how long have you been lead coding for? Shanmukh, what's your name? Shanmukha Prashant Reddy. Velagudi Ramakrishna Siddhartha. Yeah. You. That is crazy. How long have you been? Since 2023. That is absolutely crazy. Singapuru, Singarapu, Shanmukha Prashant Reddy. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Bro, third was like 5-minute question. I'm feeling really bad. See, you know that quote जहाँ हमारे सपने खत्म होते हैं वहाँ इनके स्ट्रगल शुरू होते हैं. This is what Pradeep is right now. This is what Pradeep is right now. Okay. Yep, I think I'll go have breakfast, go touch some grass, and yeah, I think I'll end the stream right now. It's 10. Yep. Okay. This is the end of the stream. It was a fun stream. Bye bye, and probably let's meet tomorrow. Okay, bro. Bye. Next stream time. Chalo bye. I'm not really sure. I won't stream today. Tomorrow, and tomorrow I have to go to college. So probably if I even do stream, I might skip tomorrow. But if I even do stream, then it will be at 4:30. How much DSA is needed for a fresher? Bro, there's no limit. There's no limit. Why are these doubts popping up just when I'm about to end the stream? How should I start lead coding? Like in what language? Choose CPP. Choose any language. Yeah. Okay. I'm ending the stream now. Thanks to all those who joined. Bye bye.